Ceilidh.
Thank you so much for coming back again. So, you must have had an okay time in 2008.
I had a great time, and I would just like to tell you that I'm bearing greetings from Katrina and Finlay, who were with me last time, and also from Nastu, well, he's now pretty much White Angus, who was here many years ago, and Beck, I think. Every time you mention Seattle, they go, ah. So, anyway, they had a great time, and they would much rather be here than wherever they are now.
So, the institution of learning that you have, you're about to retire from.
I am from the institution.
So I use the word institution because I can't remember exactly what kind of institution it is. That would be leading into saying, tell us a little bit about the work that you've been doing that you're about to.
Okay. Well, I work at Scottish Gaelic School, which is a 3 to 18 Gaelic school, the only one in Scotland, in fact the only one in the world, really. And little did I expect when I started teaching Gaelic that we would end up with a Gaelic school. It has, you'll have to do the maths, it has 150 in the oldest age group, about 270 in primary, and I think 60 in the nursery, so I think is that around 500? And it started in 1987 with 12, and I was there.
That's an incredible achievement. Over the years, what would you say, could you think of one or two things that are big changes that have happened among the young people going to that school? How would you say, has there been a change in attitudes towards Gaelic or towards their sense of their place in Scottish society?
I think they do have a very strong sense of their identity and of their place in Scottish society, which is quite surprising because they didn't have anything to do with going there. They're there because their parents sent them when they were 3. And the parents sent them for various reasons, I think. Many parents, perhaps they have Gaelic in their family, maybe grandparents, maybe they've missed a generation, don't have Gaelic themselves, would like their children to speak Gaelic. I think only probably less than 20% of the children have Gaelic at home.
Being able to use their knowledge of Gaelic in conversation. So we're just very, very appreciative of your work, and thank you very much for coming back.
Thank you very much for that. I didn't know they appreciated it. They were passing grammar books and dictionaries under the table all the time that I was there. But I made them speak.
Yes.
They enjoyed it, so thank you very much for having me back.